So Nipa Bakwanga was by now prior China locking Afenyo Markin, the former board chair of ECG, board chairman, board chair. Hey, Unipa.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Ranch with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Eric Adjei, our current CEO of National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program, NIP, our office of the President, Afenyo. Osi. As I say, Afenyo Markin, we have to arrest Afenyo Markin, our minority leader in Parliament and the former board chairman of ECG. Now, I see national security for Mupe Obia or Munchinu Ntentem. Now, ECG in Sensemno, I started and when it's been happening for long. We've had a lot of issues with ECG. Successive government, NDC government, MPP government have tried to solve those issues. It has not worked. They've tried to sell. It has not worked and all. Now, you see, in Semsina, we want to bring a non-partisan approach. Now, some of the individuals are, excuse me, but omu ni any experience. To say Eric Adjei say, omu call it say, arresting minority leader, no. See, gradually, we are getting to know the evil agenda are NDC for the now. Say after elections one person why very vocal what keep NDC on their toes by Afenyo Markin. Ufa bebia obiaka Afenyo Markin. In fact, and I'm Afenyo Markin so I discover say obi say Sam George no ni re na hwe ne so. As Sam George said he say ni salary a ogi nyina juma bakope na oye na parliamentary job. Now parliamentary job no so no, or you are able to pay over 15,000 euros as school fees. You are able to go to UK every month. Say you are going for lectures. And when Afenyo Markin inquire from him, say, now how possible? They say you are just having 15,000 cedis every month as your salary, and you are affording all these luxuries. And as George Carr say, our very very active and effective wife, so forgetting that 2 years ago, our delay shows who say, your housewife. And Afenyo Markin has been able to punch a lot of holes in the so-called people who we were seen as holy. And Afenyo Markin swana discover say okuye to Ablakwa no sa na oti airport residential hills and sika otua as rent no. It doesn't tally with his salary. And now okuye to say only business ba coupe na oye na photocopy machine or operate and kwa na business oye na brabo name. So all these things has made NDC to become excessively angry with Afenyo Markin. Now, so assembly city say assembly where containers and sense. Na Eric Adjei ka say yen kochi obi a oye board chairman. It tells you the agenda. Our agenda from the very onset no is to make Afenyo Markin unpopular. Now, our MPP mono. We don't have an issue if you want to make Afenyo Markin unpopular because we know how to counter that. But today we are beginning to see another aspect of the evil plans of the NDC. And this aspect, they say, arrest Afenyo Markin. They want to use the state apparatus as a Richard Jakpani Nkrofo, the way they went to Ken Oforiate's house with guns and Yamaniamanu, the way they went to Bank of Ghana, Bank of Ghana governor Nifie with guns and they went to remove his CCTV cameras and all those things unlawfully. Now it is a turn of Afenyo Markin. You see, it is not everybody that you can play with, right? Afenyo Markin right now is like the darling boy of the New Patriotic Party, MPP, a darling boy. And so, say NDC for Mufi say they will stretch their hand to touch Afenyo Markin. Now, yeti party nemu MPP party mo. We will sit down, aloof, said they should come and touch Afenyo Mark in the realm. NC China. Say, if we have to stand by Afenyo Mark's house 24/7 until 2028, 7th December, which election we know very well, say MPP is going to win. If we have to do that, we will do that. Then unless they arrest the entire membership of the New Patriotic Party, which they cannot. Because Ghana, no, Emra, we have laws in Ghana, and nobody is a law on their own. There are regulations that we all abide by. If somebody does something wronger, nobody will shield the person. And no one will do that in the New Patriotic Party. The moment you have done something wrong in the New Patriotic Party, you must face justice. You will face justice. But Pastor Minister John Jinapo will tell us today, and at 3,000 containers, tomorrow 2,500 containers, the next day 1,003 containers are missing. Now yeah, minority mu IMPP for you say oh, asem we no any political party in same. And say yeah back together. Then let's find out which people have stolen these things, how long it has been going on, how much of the container value can we retrieve. Now we pay where. Then we'll put all the blame on you and we will let you find solution to it yourself. We can equally do that. We can leave you. But the kind of words, mischievous words, unprintable words are obi our friend who CEO of a state enterprise. Na sa nip our CEO of Mukrano, enya Akufo-Addo anka nip ni ho. NIP came into existence under Akufo-Addo. And who Adjei say, if Akufo-Addo was not ingenious enough to think, say, Ghanaians we have to revive the spirit of entrepreneurship in Ghanaians to bring that NIP into materialization. Like by now we are jobless. We need juma bia appointment bia ni ho Muhammad Bemo. And whilst you are enjoying the fruit of Akufo-Addo's labor, shut up and enjoy it. You just shut up and enjoy it, and save us from the unnecessary commentaries. But we are seeing your agenda gradually is unfolding before our eyes. Yes, you are giving us tips. You want to arrest Afenyo Mark because or your S-board chairman, or your procurement officer, or ECG, or your procurement officer, and also the technical advisor. Board chairman, containers bedroom harbor, does he go and inspect the containers? Board chairman, is he the one who wrote 2,500 in the handing over? You people should just try it. You see, because MPP has been a peaceful political party, you always want to take our love and our affinity for peace as our weak point. It will not work. This has been a political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.